Hey guys, welcome back. So this one will be a quick one. This one is just simply how do you replace your air filter. So lift up your swivel. You're gonna have 3 of these clips here. So here's one, they're stiff. Here's 2, and here's 3. And then you're just gonna lift this up and pull it out of the way. If you've been playing in the water or whatever, these wrinkles here will hold the water in there and hold debris. So watch it when you're not pouring it in. And then to grab the filter, you must raise the back end and then pull back, and then just raise the front and then pull up. Then you can inspect your filter. The best way to do it is slap a light in the middle, and if you can still see daylight through your light, means your filter's still clean. So this is how you check it. So as you can see, I'll turn off the lights to give you guys a better view. So just go right through it like this, turn it in a circle. If you see the glow of the light, if you see it's dark or whatever, then you need to change your air filter. So I just want to give you guys a tip on that. And put it back in. Same thing, you slide it in backwards, further away, and then you pull it forward onto the tube, and then you sit it in its place, pushing downwards. And then these 3 little things have to clip to the front. So slide her in, and you're gonna have to wiggle it and find the spot. There we go. And you'll know when it's in place. And then push from the bottom upwards. Don't pull on this. Just, and that's it. And then close away. So that's simple. So that's how you check your air filter. That's how you replace your air filter. And that's how you take it out and reinstall it. And we'll catch you on the next one. That was a simple one. Bye for now. Appreciate you guys watching.